my kitchen. Today is my first cooking vlog. Couple of weeks back I tried one new recipe. It's called mango kheer. Today I just want to try the same recipe for you guys. Let's see if you like the recipe. Just let me know and you can like, share. So for this recipe, first we need simai. Today I took about like 3/4 cup of simai, then 1 tablespoon of ghee, 3/4 cup of sugar, cardamom powder, half cup of this is raisin, half cup of cashew nut. This is 4 cups of milk, and I gave mango pulp. It's about 1.5 cup, and we need a pinch of saffron. So let's start it. So I just added a tablespoon of ghee. Then I'll put the simai and let's fry it to make it nice golden brown. It's nicely golden brown. Now we have to add the milk into it. Now let's start boiling. Sugar. Sugar is almost same quantity like simai. Mix it nicely and let it boil till the simai is nicely boiled. This time I'll add a pinch of saffron. It's time to add cardamom powder. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon. I'll keep stirring because it should not stick in the bottom. Mango kheer, it's a seasonal dessert. During this time when mangoes are available in the market, you can try with fresh mango, and the rest of the year if you want to try, you can try with mango pulp, but today I'm using mango pulp only. As you can see, this is almost done. See, this is nicely cooked. So I'll take this out. Now I'll add little more ghee into another pan. And it's time to fry our dry fruits. So here I keep like half a cup of cashew nut and half a cup of raisin. So I'll just keep it sauteed. And I'll let it cool down completely before I add the mango pulp. It should be cooled down completely, otherwise it will spoil. Mango pulp will spoil your kheer. So make sure you have to cool it down completely. It should be in room temperature. Now it's completely cooled down. It's about 1 hour. Now it's time to add the mango pulp. I added almost a cup of mango pulp and I'll give it a very good mix. And one point, like, you cannot warm it. You cannot warm this kheer again, then it will spoil your kheer. So just give a good mix and it's actually ready to serve. You can chill it in the refrigerator and serve it.